Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 240 per meter is 52,800. Fine. The field is to be plowed at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. Find the cost of plowing the field. So we'll go from backward. What we have to find? We have to find the cost of plowing the field. When this is a circular field, when you plow the field, you are plowing the area. So we need to find we'll see what all we need to find. Area, right? And what is area? Area is pi r square. So we need r for this. And now the total cost of fencing the field is given. That is, fencing means we are bothered with the circumference. Fine, we fence at the circumference. So circumference we have to find out to be fenced. Fine. Now what is it given? Rupees 240 per meter. That means rupees 240 is required for fencing 1 meter. So rupees, how much rupees we are spending? 52,800 will be required for how many meters? That will become my circumference. Yes, fine, because 240 rupees is required to fence 1 meter per meter. मतलब 1 meter के लिए 240 चाहिए. And we are spending 52,800 is the total cost of fencing it. So this much will be required for fencing how many meter? That will become the circumference of the field, right? So what we will do here, you can use proportional method, unitary method, or the any method. So let it be x. So we are using 240 is 1 meter. So 52,800 is how many meters, right? This is a direct proportion, because as the cost will go up, the number of meter will also go up. So x will go this side and this will come here. So it will become 52800 divided by 240. That is 12, 2 2s are 4, 6, 4, right? 12 2s are 24, 12 2s are 24. So x is 22 meter. Fine. Or if you don't want to go by this, simply circumference निकालना है. Then circumference is total cost of fencing by cost per meter. That is this only. Fine. That is total cost. That is 52800 divided by 240. Fine. To make you understand, I have written this. This is equal to 22 meters. And there will be one more zero. So sorry, 220 meters. Fine. Because 1 0 has been cancelled. There is 1 0 more. So 220 meters. This is the circumference. Now with the help of circumference, I will find the radius of this circle, of this circular field. 220 is equal to 2 pi r. Pi ka value is 22 by 7 into r. Right? So r is 7 goes there and 2 by 22 comes down. 220 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. That is 10 and 5. So r what you got is 35 meter. Now you got the value of r. And what we need to find? We need to find the cost of plowing the field. Find cost of plowing the field means how much cost will you require to plow the total area. That means you need area for this. Fine. So area of the field will be pi r square. That is 22 by 7 into 35 into 35. This goes with 5. So 22 into 35 into 5 will come out as 3850 meter square. This is the total area to be plowed, right? And what is the cost per meter square? It is given, the rate is 12.50 per meter square, which is given in the question. So we will write rate is 12.50 per meter square. Therefore, total cost or cost, whatever you want to write, is equal to per meter, 1 meter square के लिए this much, so this much meter के लिए how much? That is 3850 into 12.50, which will come out as 48,125 rupees. So this is the cost of plowing the field.